expression for gravitational potential energy. This is the object, and object is on the ground, and the gravitational force is applied on this object, and that is the downward the ground. Now the force applied on this object is F, right? And F is equal to how many, student? Mg. What is it, student? Mg. And this is vertically upward direction. In which direction? Vertically upward direction. And the work done against the gravity in rising the object through the height h. This is slowly the rise up, right? Now stop it. Distance between this point to ground, this is called h. H means height. Now work W is equal to force into displacement. In the short form, we can write W is equal to Fs. Here, force is equal to the mg, where m is the mass of the object. Now we can write at the place of F is equal to mg. Now put the value of F is equal to mg. Hence we get W is equal to mgs. And you know that here the displacement is under the height, so S is equal to h. Since we can write W is equal to mgh. Hence, this work done on the object stored in the form of gravitational potential energy, that is denoted by the Pe. Hence, we can write potential energy is equal to mgh at point A. Thank you.